Sales, chats, team tasks, reports, the client base. It all used to rest on one person or a whole department. Now your personal AI assistant takes it all on, right inside Telegram. It's not just a salesperson. It's a whole mini project team inside a single assistant. It finds clients on its own and reaches out across your base. It runs the conversation, qualifies, and hands the manager only the hot lead. With a reason. It holds hundreds of warm conversations at once, in your tone of voice. It builds commercial proposals tailored to each specific business, and full landing pages ready to go in HTML. It assigns tasks to the team and keeps the micromanagement and deadlines in check. It runs your CRM, the client base, statuses, and the pipeline. Every day it sends a report, volume, response rate, and how many are hot. It posts content across your channels and keeps the brand present. And you run it all by voice from a command center in Telegram. And any important conversation, you take over yourself, any moment. One assistant replaces a mini project team and works while you focus on what matters. And this video was made by our motion design studio. 12 AI agents from a single idea through that same command center. What used to take weeks now takes 10 minutes. The Solaris Personal AI Assistant. See how it takes over your routine and your sales.